Alaska is a land of extremes. Where icy wilderness meets untamed beauty. From towering glaciers to hidden hot springs, every corner of this state feels almost otherworldly. I've always been fascinated by Alaska's untouched landscapes. And today, I want to share some of its most unbelievable places that will leave you in awe. Hold on a sec. Where are you watching this from right now? Comment below, and let's see all the corners of the globe joining our journey. One, Mendenhall Glacier, Juneau, stretching over 12 miles. Mendenhall Glacier is one of Alaska's most stunning natural wonders. Towering above the lush rainforest, its brilliant blue ice seems almost otherworldly. I'll never forget the sound of the glacier slowly cracking. It's a reminder of the immense power of nature. Hiking nearby or viewing it from the lake offers breathtaking experiences. Two, Denali National Park, interior Alaska, home to Mount Denali, the tallest peak in North America. This park is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. I've always dreamed of spotting grizzly bears, caribou, and moose while wandering the vast tundra. The endless snow-capped mountains create a humbling sense of scale. Every visit here feels like stepping into a pristine, untouched wilderness full of life. Three, Katmai National Park, Alaska Peninsula. Katmai National Park is world famous for Brooks Falls. Where brown bears leap into the river to catch salmon. Witnessing these majestic animals in their natural habitat is both thrilling and humbling. I remember watching the bears' raw strength and patience. It's a wildlife spectacle you can't see anywhere else. Have you ever wanted to see wild bears up close? Let me know in the comments. Four, Kenai Fjords National Park, Seward, filled with fjords glaciers, and abundant marine life. Kenai Fjords is a wonderland. I still remember seeing humpback whales breaching near the glaciers. It felt like stepping into another world. Kayaking here gives an unforgettable perspective of Alaska's icy wonders. Five, Chena Hot Springs, near Fairbanks, a hidden gem. Chena Hot Springs lets you soak in natural warm pools while surrounded by snow-covered landscapes. I've always found it magical to watch the northern lights dance above while the water steams around you. Can you imagine a more peaceful winter evening? Six, Wrangell St. Elias National Park, Southeast Alaska. As the largest national park in the U.S., it's almost impossible to see it all in one trip. Glaciers, volcanoes, and rugged mountains dominate the land. If you could explore a place untouched by humans for days, would you go? I know I would. If you could spend a week here without modern distractions, would you take the chance? Comment below. I'd love to know. Seven, Inside Passage, Southeast Alaska. A labyrinth of waterways lined with rainforest, fjords, and small islands, the Inside Passage is perfect for a scenic cruise. Orcas, bald eagles, and humpback whales are common sights. I have always wanted to explore each hidden cove. Imagine discovering a secret waterfall or a quiet island beach. Eight, Gates of the Arctic National Park, Brooks Range, Alaska. At its most untouched, Gates of the Arctic has no roads, no towns, just endless mountains, rivers, and skies. Imagine hiking for days without seeing another person. The solitude here is almost spiritual. I've always wondered what it feels like to be completely alone in such vast wilderness. Would you dare to explore a place so remote? Share your thoughts below. 9. Haines, Chilkat, Bald Eagle Preserve. Every fall, thousands of bald eagles gather along the Chilkat River to feast on the salmon run, creating one of the largest eagle congregations in the world. Watching hundreds of these majestic birds take flight at once is breathtaking. I've always been amazed by the sheer scale of nature here. Have you ever witnessed a spectacle like this? Comment if this is on your bucket list. 10. Misty Fjords National Monument, Ketchikan, often called Alaska's Yosemite of the North. Misty Fjords is a maze of cliffs, waterfalls, and emerald green forests. Flying over it in a small plane or kayaking along its waters gives a perspective photos can't capture. I could return here again and again without tiring of its beauty. Imagine gliding through this landscape on a kayak. Would you dare to explore its hidden corners? Comment your dream adventure. Alaska is truly a place that challenges imagination and inspires awe. If you could spend a week in any of these locations, which one would you choose? I'd love to hear your pick in the comments. And before we wrap up, imagine this: watching bears fishing in Katmai, soaking in a hot spring while the northern lights dance, or standing at the foot of Denali. Which experience would you choose first? Let me know below. I'm always curious what excites you most.